So what is your name?
Pat McCarty.
Cap?
Pat
McCarty.
I'm gonna make a fire starter.
Fire starter?
Right there.
Ooh, you know what? Are you making the kind of fire starter that has kind of the hook that you put on your hand hold and then strike it with some flint?
Right. They got lots of different names. Flint and steel, strike a light, but they all kind of do the same thing. You're just trying to make a spark.
Yeah. But yeah, if you're gonna make one of those, I'll buy one of those from you.
I got a couple on the rack somewhere in there, but I noticed I needed a few more, so I thought, well, that'd be a good project to work on today.
Yeah.
So in order to get it to strike, it has to be a piece of high carbon steel.
Right.
You can't use just anything. So this is a garage door spring.
Garage door spring. Okay.
That's a good high carbon piece of steel.
So how hot does the metal get typically when you're...
I want it about 1800, 2000 degrees.
Yep.
Something like that. I don't want that sharp point sticking out there, so I'll do a little curl on the end.
Hey, shall we?
So there's that end finished.
Okay, let me get over here. Okay. So how long have you been doing this?
About 41 years. Starting to get the hang of it.
Do you get the hang of it right before you get tired of it?
I think so, yeah. Oh, there's a few things I've figured out, but there's a whole lot of things yet to learn. You know, there's just so many different facets of blacksmithing. Once you get that piece of metal hot and soft, you know, you can just do whatever you want with it. You just got to figure out how to hold on to it. It's the hardest part. You can't touch it. You got to do all your shaping with your hammer. This piece of metal is long enough to make 2 strikers, so I'm going to cut it in half.
I think you got too close, but
I put a mark on it to show me where half was. So I'm just hammering on that sharp edge. Be careful at the end because it can go shooting way out into the crowd, so I try not to do that. I get it close and then break it up. So that'll make another one. So now it should be nice and hard. the spot. That's all you're looking for. And like I say, you got to have a good high carbon piece of steel to do that. You can't just use any old piece of steel. It just won't. This is a piece of mild steel here, and even sounds different. It just won't do a thing. So it has to be high carbon, and it has to be quenched in water to make it even harder. And that's a good striker.
Well, since you made
Hold up the thing that we got. This is what we ended up buying today.
So now Shelly has another way to start a fire.
The striker.
It does.
That's
Oh,
the
okay.
one.
Gotcha. Yep.
Thank you.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. See you next time.